Well, thanks for visiting us this morning at KTALnews.com. I'm meteorologist Josh Marces. This is your Tuesday morning forecast update, but we'll be spending a lot of time talking about Thursday and Friday. That will be our next threat of severe weather, as the Storm Prediction Center has a very large level 2 slight risk issued for us for Thursday, so we'll get to that in just a moment. No severe weather today. Today's the day we'll start to feel that warmer air make its way in. So cool early this morning, but we should be in the 60s at lunchtime, and then highs today in the mid-70s in all locations. So we're again running about 10 degrees above average in most areas, and a little bit more than that for a few locations as well. Satellite radar here showing just mostly clear skies early this morning. Around sunrise it will turn partly cloudy. It will stay partly cloudy for the remainder of the day. 40s and low 50s at sunrise, and then your high temperatures this afternoon, everybody from about 74 to 77 degrees. So it should feel nice out there. A little bit of wind this afternoon, but the wind will not be a big issue for us this morning. So our next storm system, the one that will bring the severe weather threat on Thursday, beginning to carve out a path along the western U.S. coastline there, and that's the one that will bring that cold front late Thursday into Friday. So closer look here, again, level 2 slight risk, and the forecast modeling as of this morning really shows the storms here in the northern Arklatex, and this would be Thursday night into Friday morning. Looks like hail and wind would be the main threats for us. Enough wind shear, we can't rule out just a brief tornado as well, but it does look like wind and hail will be the main threats for us Thursday, and some potential at least for some of that severe weather to linger into Friday, as this will be a slow-moving front that just kind of stalls across the region late this week. So again, today partly cloudy. We'll see a few more clouds out there on Wednesday. Did include just a very slight chance of rain for us as we continue through the day on Wednesday, but it doesn't look like we'll see any kind of significant rain for Wednesday. And then Thursday's the day that we will see that severe weather threat late in the day, and by late in the day, and this could actually occur after sunset, and you can see all the storms kind of moving through the northern Arklatex there. We're still a few days away, so we may see this shift somewhat, but again, once we get into Friday, it's still possible we could see some strong to severe storms I-20 and southward, just depending on how this all plays out. But the rain's likely going to continue into Saturday as well, as we do see some of those showers and storms, and we widen out the view, kind of continuing into the upcoming weekend as well. Would expect most of the rain will taper off by Sunday, so if you are planning some outdoor activities, I think Sunday's probably the safer of the 2 days there, but you can see the rain picking up here on Thursday. Will continue on and off through the weekend. Still looks like most areas will see about 1 to 2 inches of rain with some isolated higher amounts, and the front won't cool us down a lot, but we will fall into the low 70s this weekend after a few days in the 80s the middle of this week.